This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Michal Morganbrian. Prime Silver Bluff Location. A timeless 2-bedroom, 1-bath home featuring a bright, sun-filled open floor plan. This charming home is located in one of Miami's most desirable neighborhoods and blends vintage character with modern updates. Highlights include high exposed ceiling beams, a brand new spacious kitchen with wood cabinetry and granite countertops, a completely renovated stylish bathroom, brand new kitchen appliances, washer and dryer, natural wood floors and a working fireplace. Additional features include a welcoming large foyer, a bright and inviting Florida room, and an extra patio overlooking a beautiful, private backyard, an ideal sanctuary for relaxation and family gatherings. The large lot offers ample space for entertaining or unwinding outdoors and includes a single-car garage for convenient parking. Perfectly situated near downtown Miami, Coral Gables, Brickell, Miami Beach, the iconic Little Havana, and pristine beaches.